In this video, we're going to walk you through the installation of your PolarBath Pod Chiller. Feel free to pause whenever you need or refer to the manual for step-by-step instructions. First, make sure your PolarBath is set up on a flat surface that can hold up to 700 pounds. You'll also need access to a GFCI outlet with a 110 volt plug. If you're outside the US, ensure you're using the original power cord. Unbox your pod chiller and check that you have all the parts: the chiller unit, power cable, water filter, hose connectors, extra seal rings, and Teflon tape. Place the pod chiller next to your PolarBath, making sure there's at least 15 inches of space around it for proper airflow. It should be on the same level as the ice bath. Now, attach the hose connectors to the chiller inlets and outlets. Remember to place the white rubber rings on the outlets first. Secure everything tightly. Connect the short hose to the pump adapter and slide the insulation piece onto it. Attach the other end to one of the chiller connectors, and then connect the long hoses to the water filter and the other chiller outlet. Before filling your ice bath, make sure the valves are closed. Then, fill it with water, ensuring the water level is above the filter in the chiller. Check all connections for any leaks and use the Teflon tape if needed. Now it's time to release the air from the system. Open the air release valve on the filter to let the air out. Once water is flowing, close the valve. This ensures proper circulation. Plug the chiller into the 110 volt GFCI outlet and flip the red switch to power it up. Check that water is circulating by seeing if it flows through the hoses. Now, set your desired temperature by pressing the Set button and adjusting with the arrows. Press RST to save the setting. The chiller will begin cooling the water to set the temperature. To keep your PolarBath Pod Chiller running smoothly, clean the filter monthly and change the water every 1 to 2 months. Use a water sanitizer to extend the life of the water. And that's it. Your PolarBath and Pod Chiller are now ready. If you have any questions, check the manual or reach out for support.